You gotta run to me. Oh, can't you see? You gotta run to me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this image with Qwen Edit and the multi-angle custom node. So what this does is allows you to create a data set of pictures from one photograph taken from multiple angles. So this is really good for LoRA training and dataset prep. Now the image you see on the screen, I generated it and then I fired up this video, so nothing cherry picked as per usual. So this workflow was actually based off of this one that I found on CivitAI. This one was in Chinese and it had some errors. So I did get inspiration and clean it up and change it to English. So I'm going to upload that to my membership site, which you can see here, smallzero.io. Come join our Discord community for free as well. We have almost 700 users now. The community is absolutely popping off. So this is pretty simple. As you can see here, I have a photograph of Audrey Hepburn. There's quite a few settings here, and I've included a user guide on the left. And these are the default prompts as well. So these are all from the CivitAI workflow. This is not my work, but I did clean it up and switch it to English. So I'm not claiming to have built this workflow. I just modified it and optimized it. And if you wanted to change it to a single generation where it was only one camera angle, you had something specific in mind, you could enable this node right here, which allows you to change the distance and the camera angle of your shot. So if you're looking for a side profile or, let's say you weren't super happy with your data set, maybe this one here, you're like, okay, she's standing on the table, I wanted a bird's eye view, but not something like that. So you could redo it again by modifying the camera angle. So pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So I'm going to generate one for you here live. Well, not live. I will fast forward it because it did take about 3 to 4 minutes on my 5090 video card. So let's pick another image. So I'm going to take this portrait that I generated in Z Image some time ago. I think this was from my Z Image video initially that I uploaded on my YouTube. So we're going to use that one and I'm going to start this now. So I just kept the default settings from the workflow start. You're going to need your diffusion model, which is Qwen Edit 2511. You're going to need a lightning LoRA 4-step, and then you're going to need the multi-angle LoRA as well if you want to do all the multi-angle shots like I showed you, which is the basis of this workflow. So get all of those. And you're also going to need to find the Qwen multi-angle camera. Now, you can find that just by Googling Qwen multi-angle camera. It's the first GitHub link. And then you're just going to install it in your custom nodes folder. So other than that, I already had everything else installed. It was pretty simple. So let's start one now with this image, and then I will cut to the finished result. Okay, so we've got our finished image here. Now, if you've been on this channel before, we do things live, no cherry picking. So this kind of gives you quite a few usable pictures for training a LoRA. So if you wanted to train a woman in a motorbike helmet for a shoot like this, you would have quite a few angles. This looks pretty good. It was really easy to do. So if I was really serious about creating this data set, I would run this workflow multiple times until I got a batch of images that made sense, around 20 to 30 images. And once again, I would probably go over to my membership site. I'm just going to show you a tool. So this is the membership site for paid users. We do have the LoRA dataset helper. So what you can do with this is load all of your files in here and it'll caption it for you. So you could take this entire set, paste it in, and then it would do automatic caption and prepare your data set for you. So this is a super, super lazy way to prepare your data for training LoRAs or getting multiple angles. The quality is quite good. I'm actually quite impressed. I don't usually love Qwen for a lot of things, but this worked out really well. And once again, you can give the original creator a shout out. I'm going to upload my modified version to the SmallZero member site, so you can grab it if you're already in there. And head over to our website and join the Discord as well. We've got a good community and we'd love to see you there. All right, guys, have a good day.
I never knew that this could end. So thinking about you